Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into an exciting comparison between two top contenders in the dashcam market, the REDTIGER Dashcam F7NP and the OVAMAN K600. Both cameras promise high-quality recording and advanced features. But which one truly stands out? In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the REDTIGER Dashcam F7NP is positioned as a premium option at $198, while the OVAMAN K600 offers a more budget-friendly alternative at $139. This significant price difference raises the question: what additional value does the REDTIGER provide for that extra cost? Let's delve deeper into their features to find out. Both dashcams come equipped with Wi-Fi capabilities, but there's a notable difference in their performance. The REDTIGER F7NP uses standard Wi-Fi, while the OVAMAN K600 boasts 5G Wi-Fi, promising faster connections and smoother data transfers. This could be a game changer for users who frequently upload footage or stream live video. Let's see how this impacts their usability. Screen size can greatly affect user experience, especially when it comes to viewing recorded footage or adjusting settings. The REDTIGER F7NP features a 3.16-inch IPS screen, while the OVAMAN K600 offers a slightly larger 3.59-inch display. This larger screen may provide a better viewing experience, making it easier for users to navigate through their recordings. Let's take a closer look at how this affects each device's usability. In conclusion, both the REDTIGER Dashcam F7NP and the OVAMAN K600 have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The REDTIGER offers superior video quality and a potentially more refined user experience, while the OVAMAN provides excellent value for its price with its 5G Wi-Fi and larger screen. Your choice will ultimately depend on your budget and what features matter most to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like